Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to delete mods from here in your Steam account. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go and remove the mods from the Steam Workshop. Now what you want to do is go to Community at the top and go down and click on Workshop. From here you want to go to the game that you'd like to have the mods removed, and I'm going to go here to Skyrim. This is the game I'd like to remove them from. Go to the right hand side, click on your files, and go down to subscribed items. All I now need to do is click unsubscribe, and it will remove that and will stop it from being re-downloaded when I'm using Skyrim. Now in some rare cases you may need to go into the game itself, and you will need to go into the game files. So for that I will find Skyrim somewhere around here. Here we go. So we'll do this one for example. We'll then go to Properties, browse local files, and once this pops up, you'll then want to go through here, data, and find the mods folder. I hope that was helpful. Any questions?